Welcome to the Build a Wizard channel. Today I have a follow-up for this product. I know you saw this in one of the last videos, but with this, what I decided to do is make a French cleat for the garage. So I have this item here, which is just a simple 45 on a plate with 2 of the keyhole slots. It just simply slides into the spot, locks on, and then it just stays onto the French cleat. Just like the last video for this one, I'll have a link for this product in makeaworld.com. Happy 3D printing. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.